Hello everyone, welcome back to BlackX Studio. Do you know that the new beta app lets you easily move files between your Android and Windows device? Oh, you don't? Let's go and talk about it. Google introduced a feature called Nearby Share in 2020, but it only shares files between Google products. Now, Windows has finally introduced its version of Nearby Share in beta, allowing you to easily move files between Android and Windows system. Before you start installing Nearby Share in your Windows laptop, you may want to make sure you can use it on your phone or an Android device. While Google offers Nearby Share as a feature in the File by Google apps, you can also receive files without having the Files app. When you sign in, the next window is Setup Nearby Share, which is where you can give a name to your PC and choose who can share the files with you. When you first see the setup window, receiving will be set to no one and your device will not be visible to any other device. Since you have installed this in order to share files, you will probably want to change this setting. Go to device visibility and it will give you the choice of sharing files and folders with everyone, with your contact, with your device or with no one. And then you need to sign into the Google account. If you choose everyone, you will get two options: to allow everyone to share files with you all the time or just that option enable for a few minutes. Once you sign in to your Google account, you will be asked to check your phone and press the volume down to verify your identity. You can then return to your Windows PC and the Nearby Share app. If you enable sharing with your contact or with your device, you will see a message under receiving information that your contacts can now share with you as long as you approve the request. Once you are happy with the choices, select Done. Now it's been set up and Nearby Share is ready to go. Now the app will show an animated blue geometric image to show it's ready to receive and an open space where you can select folders or files you want to share with others. All of this may sound a little bit elaborate, but once Nearby Share is installed, you will be able to share files between your Windows PC and your Android phone without having to restore to email, Google Drive or other methods. That's it for today. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for such interesting news. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.